filming.
Okay, filming.
Alright then.
Right, let's go.
Right, bye, love you.
Oh wait, not you, that's fair.
Come in.
No.
It's fun.
Nobody's coming.
I can't stand
We
up.
couldn't get killed by these, brother. No.
Trap them in the... Fuck you! Trap them in the corner.
Very
Open the gate, Charlie.
No, it's right. One spoon.
Open the fucking gate, please. Open the gate, please. 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 I don't like being in here with flying birds around.
No, it's funny.
Oh dear.
And now I'm not doing
As you can see, I just locked Jordan. Oh, what goes around comes around. Leave that there to video. Run towards them.
No. I'm not sick. I'm fucking one.
Why? It's hot in there.
There's 33 birds.
You actually count them?
Yeah.
How can you count them? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And Charlotte here is dying. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead.
I feel nice and safe in this way.
I just got your eye. You feel nice and safe, so what if we walked off? Would you feel safe? Go on, let's walk off.
I'm so dying.
I'll try and donk one on the edge.
It's only animal cruelty if you kill them. Wait, I've got an idea. Hurt them by the means in which they survive. It's raining food. I can't.
I'm sure the ball will just go.
I got bird feed over my head. Let's pause this.